Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elam. So in today's video I'm going to show you two ways you can descale your kettle. Okay, descale your kettle and turn it almost like brand new. Okay, if you're interested, please watch this video to the end because I shared a lot of tips in this video. Okay, let's get started. Yeah, okay, so just to show you guys, you can see all those particles that is in the water. Okay, so this is what builds up on the kettle. You can see the body of the kettle. You can see all the scales there. Even in the inside, it got stuck at the bottom there. So this is all we are going to be removing. So first thing, fill water in the kettle like to the maximum point or maximum level on the kettle and then on it to start boiling. Okay, so as the water boils, automatically the kettle trips off. So once it trips off, then yeah, just get the descaler. The first method where I'm going to be using this what's it called, lime away descaler. Okay, so what you do, you just cut the descaler open and then pour it in the already boiled water. You see the bubbles, you see it. So you pour it there and then cover it. Allow this to sit for about 30 minutes. Okay, the instruction says 10 minutes, but it says more than that. Then after about 30 minutes, you can see how cleaner the kettle is looking. Though those ones, you can see them at the bottom is still there. But let's go and wash. Okay, so get it to the sink and then I'll just put in some soap on the sponge and then start washing it. Okay, okay, so after washing it, just rinse it. Okay, rinse it very well and you can see the kettle is looking clean, though at the bottom there's still some little particles there. I will show you something later, guys. So once you're done with this descaler method, immediately if you're done rinsing it, just pour some water in it to the maximum level, boil it and then throw this first water away because the smell or the taste always gets into the first water you boil after washing it. Okay, so just make sure you use it to boil water first, throw it away and then start using your kettle. Okay,
so guys, you see what I'm saying? You see the scales, it has built up again just within 1 week. Yeah, the first method I showed you guys was last week. I wanted it to build up again so I can show the second method. You see it? It has built up again. See how much it has built up just within 1 week. So like I said, I'll show you guys which of the methods is better. So I'll fill this with water and then we continue. Okay, so before I on it, guys, I have to put it in this tray.
so the reason I'm putting it in this tray is just in case it boils over. Okay, because sometimes it do boil over. For the descaler on, we didn't boil it, we just pour the descaler, allow it to sit for some time, then wash up. But this one, you are going to boil it. Okay, after putting what you're going to use to descale it, you're going to boil it. So like again, fill the water to the maximum level and then boil it. Okay, so once the water boils, again, this one we are going to use vinegar. Yay! So just pour in some amount of vinegar into the already boiled water, maybe like half cup, and then on it again. Like I said, it's going to boil it together with it. Okay,
Okay, thank God for today it didn't boil over, so that's fine because the scale doesn't get here, so you can easily wash this side off. So as you can see, it's becoming clean. So the next thing you do with this vinegar method, you leave it overnight. Okay, I'm doing this in the night, but if it's the descaler on, you just wash off immediately. But for vinegar, you leave it overnight so that it will be able to bring out all the scales. Then in the morning I'll come back and show you guys before and after I wash it off. Okay, so yeah, that is it for this one. See you guys in the morning. Okay guys, so like I said, this is the next morning. You can see how clean it's looking. Okay, so let's go and wash it off and see. Okay, let's go. So I poured it out. You can see inside the kettle, nothing, absolutely nothing left inside. So just going to put some soap and then wash it off. So guys, like I said, for the two methods, the Descale method and this vinegar method, I tell you the truth, I prefer the vinegar method. Okay, for two reasons. One, the vinegar method, as I use it now, if we start using this kettle again, it will take a long time for the scales to build up again. But if I use the scaler, like you saw, just 1 week interval, you see how it builds up the scales very fast. But if you use the vinegar, it takes some time before the scales builds up again. That is one. Two, it's safer, it's healthier. Vinegar is healthier to use than the scaler. No, the scaler is chemicals and all that. But of course, you know, vinegar too. Add vinegar to their water, you know, maybe salad or something. So people consume vinegar, but the scaler, of course, you can't even try that. So as you can see, I'm done washing. You see how clean it's looking. So yeah, the Descale on still gave almost the same result, but there were still some particles left at the bottom. But this one, it cleared everything. There's nothing on the bottom. And this one, the scales doesn't build up fast again, but with the scaler it builds up fast. So just 1 week, it will build far much more than this. So I'm just showing you guys. With these few points of mine, I hope you can now be able to decide which one is safer and better for you to descale your kettles. So if you've learned that today, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Love you guys and see you by next weekend. Bye.